Hi everybody, Desiree here. So I'm here today to let you all know that we are going to push with the intensive workshop that I promised before. And this is a Shopify intensive workshop. So it's going to be conducted on November 17 to November 20. And if you want to learn more, actually, I have the link in the comment section. Go there if you want to learn more about the details. But to give you an idea, what I will be teaching you sa workshop na to is I will teach you how to build a Shopify website, just like what I've been doing before. And aside from that, tuturuan ko kayo paano ba mag-dropship international market and also paano ba mag-print on demand. I will teach you the difference of print on demand and the dropshipping as well. And with this workshop, matututunan nyo kung paano mag-build ng fully functional website, whether you wanna sell your own products, mag-dropship, or mag-print on demand. Okay? So I won't talk much about the program. Rather, go to the comment section, check the link there to learn more what you can get sa program na to. So why did I choose to conduct an intensive workshop instead of the usual webinar na ginagawa ko before? It's because right now I don't have much time. As you can tell, I wasn't able to create a professional promotional video for this workshop. But I can guarantee na yung matututunan nyo dito will be beneficial for you, for your business, or for your own online store. Don't forget to like and share and see you there.